Friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today recipe is Navratri special, which is our Samak Sago Dosa. This is very healthy and a weight loss recipe as well. To do this Samak Sago Dosa, we have taken the Vrat rice, or also called as Samak rice, which is usually used during fasting, along with a cup of yogurt, black salt, and our sabudana, which is also called as sagu in English. So these are the ingredients required to do our Samak Sago Dosa. It's a very simple and easy recipe during this festive time, which is our Navratri season. So let us get into the recipe. Step to do our Samak Sago Dosa is we are going to make a fine powder out of our Vrat rice. So friends, we have made powder of our Vrat rice. So I'm just going to add it into a bowl. So now we are going to make powder of sagu, which is our sabudana as well. So make it to a coarse powder. Friends, you can find our sagu is also grinded to a coarse powder. This is mainly to add crispiness to the dosa. So I'm just adding this as well in our rice powder. So along with this, we are going to add half a cup of yogurt. Then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of rock salt. In case you do not have rock salt, you can add the ordinary salt as well. Mix it gently and add the water little by little and make it not too thick, not too thin. It should be into a dosa consistency. So I'm adding little by little water and going to mix it finely. So friends, our dosa dough is ready. You can find it's not too thick, it's not too thin. So now just keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes by closing the lid. Then we'll start seeing what is the next steps. We have soaked our dough for 15 minutes. So now let us start doing our Samak Sago Dosa. Our dough is ready. So let us start making small mini dosas. Here goes our Samak Sago Dosa, which is our Navratri special. So people who are fasting for Navratri, please do try this recipe. It's also an excellent weight loss dosa. So please try this recipe. This goes very well with peanut chutney. So do try this. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye-bye.